A diet is a particular selection of food specially as designed or prescribed to improve a person's physical condition or to prevent or treat a disease such as selection or limitation on the amount a person eats or reduction of weight to regulate the food of specially in order to improve the physical condition. A Mediterranean diet is a type of diet that prefers traditional foods, especially those eaten by Italian and Greek locals in 1960. The diet has helped improve lives of diabetics. Meal choices would be vegetables, legumes, potatoes, herbs, spices, extra virgin oil, and whole grains. Red meat is eaten sparingly. A vegan diet is a type of diet that limits food consumption to vegetables and grains. No type of meat is eaten whatsoever. This means no fish or other seafood, no pork or chicken, no beef and lamb. A lot of health advisors says though the vegan diet is not advisable for everyone. First, some suggestions. For easy preparation, choose one meat dish for a day. Also, choose one vegetable dish for the day. Choose two snacks for the day, one to be taken at 10:30 a.m. and another for 3 p.m. Choose the drink to go with the meal or snack you've chosen. Second, some meal options. Meat choices for day 1 through 7. Sigang na baboy, sigang na isda, pork barbecue. Veggie choices for day 1 through 7. Lumpiang sariwa, pinakbet, chop suey, ginisang munggo. Snack or dessert choices for day 1 through 7. Taho, nilagang kamote. Third, some sample preparations. Breakfast, vegetable omelette with coffee. Spread about 2 tablespoons extra virgin coconut oil in a small pan, medium heat. Saute 1/4 cup mixed red and green bell peppers. 1/4 cup mushrooms for about a minute, season with kosher salt. Pour 2 free-range eggs and cook for about 3 minutes. Another sample preparation. For lunch, breadless cheeseburger. Mix the following: 1/2 kilo ground beef, 1 carrot, 1 sitamas, 1 egg, 1 garlic clove, 1 small onion, 1/4 cup breadcrumbs. Season with pepper, paprika, rosemary, some soy sauce. Shape into patties and cook lightly in a non-stick pan. Turn over when brown. Bathing suit season is here. And you know what that means? It means time to roll out the old I need to lose weight fast diet tricks. Eating nutritiously will help you lose extra pounds, maintain a healthy weight, or never gain in the first place. Here are my top 10 diet tips to slim down for the summer. First, don't starve yourself. Research does show you that you can lose unwanted weight by starving yourself. The problem is that up to 50% of that weight loss comes from muscle tissue, not from fat. And that sets you up for pure disaster. Muscles are your body's metabolic furnace. Each pound burns about 50 calories a day. 2. Put the fast back in breakfast. Breakfast may be considered the most important meal of the day, but it doesn't mean it has to be the most time-consuming. You can save a lot of time and energy by keeping this meal simple and straightforward. Then make an additional effort to ensure your lunches and dinners are nutritionally balanced.
Do eat fat to lose weight. Fat has been given a bad rap over the years, but not all fat is bad for you. In fact, some fats are essential for weight loss. Your body uses omega-3s, which supports healthy joints, shiny hair, and strong nails. Don't skimp on this calorie-free calorie burner. Water may be the furthest thing from your mind when you're busy, but not drinking enough of the clear stuff can have dire consequences, even for your waistline. Dehydration can slow your metabolism by 3% for someone who weighs 150 pounds. Do fight fat at night. Those 8 hours after your head hits the pillow aren't just for dreaming. While you sleep, your body actually repairs and rebuilds your muscles. But if you eat too close to bedtime, your body will spend its energy digesting the food in your tummy and not recuperating your muscles. Don't eat if you're not hungry. Are you a chronic overeater? It may not be that your hunger hormone is working overtime, but rather that you're eating out of habit. A lot of people overeat simply because the food is readily available. So get rid of that visual cues. Do make healthy swaps. The thought of having to give up many of your favorite foods in order to lose weight can be daunting. Fortunately, I believe there is room for all foods, including butter, in a healthy, balanced diet. For example, salad can be substituted for potato chips, and fruits can be substituted for an ice cream. Don't eat too much saturated fat. Fat isn't all bad. Good fats found in food such as fatty fish, nuts, and flax seeds are essential to your health and ability to lose weight. But when it comes to bad fats, such as saturated fat, it's important to understand what types of food they hide in so you can avoid them. Watch your portion sizes. An appropriate serving of meat is 3 to 5 ounces, not the 12-ounce prime rib found on restaurant menus. Choose a 3-ounce serving if you weigh less than 150 pounds or a 5-ounce serving if you weigh more than 150 pounds. This equates to roughly the size of 1 or 2 decks of cards. Don't let one blunder ruin your whole diet. I know how discouraging it can feel after you lose control and make a dieting mistake, but you can't let it weigh you down or you'll never lose the weight. In fact, you've never blown it until you've given up altogether. One overeating episode will not ruin your entire diet, and you can still hop back on that wagon and head for success. Be aware of your body. Think about how the particular exercise is making you feel. If something doesn't feel right, stop immediately and seek medical advice. Warm up and cool down. Pace yourself. Mix it up. Strap or tape. Stay hydrated. Be weather aware. Do it right. Check your gear. Be sensible. Last minute tips. Exercise every day. Don't overdo it. Go high quality. Fuel your body right. Get serious. Cut out white food. Think protein. Visualize it. Don't eat late. Count calories carefully.